Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install NetDrive for your PC, Windows or Mac operating system. So guys, please support me and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel, so that as soon as possible. Okay sir. So guys, we are going to show you how to download and install into your PC. So in this video, okay, first of all we will go to our browser and search here NetDrive. Okay, then after that it will okay, you can see this website. Open this website, netdrive.net. okay, and after that just a second. So open this website and be open your the internet problem. Okay, you can see here my internet is slow. Okay, NetDrive access your cloud storage as it is a local drive. Okay, NetDrive feature on ZDNet as the best cloud platform. Models software 2021. Okay, click here to see the article on ZDNet. Okay, these are the feature and capability of the software. Okay, background uploading, manage UFT file lock of all files. So we are looking for volunteer for translate NetDrive. Click here to more info. Okay, we will check here more info and it will open the bdrive.net support, and after that use remote storage as your local drive, FTP, SFTP and WebDrive, OpenStack. These are the storages. Or the access remote files and local files. File browser, internet is very slow and the pages inhibit to be download completely. Okay, background uploading. With background uploading NetDrive, your file to reboot. Okay, team drive, file lock, multi-user file lock. Okay, these are the, so you can see here my internet is very slow and therefore you can see here the problems of not opening the full website. Okay, force refresh folder. These are the, you can see all the about. So we are going to download its free trial version for our PC. Okay, let's start. If you have guys, if you have Mac operating system, you can download from here, and if you have Windows, then you can download here. So I have Windows, so I will download from here. Okay, select here the latest version 3.11.16.667. okay, I will click here and open a new tab. My internet is really so much slow. Okay, it's a big problem. Just I will stop here. So as you can download from here. Okay, after that just a second, and the comparison with other products. So if you are you can see here, if your download has not started, you click here to download it. Okay, I will click here, open link a new tab. Okay, after that you can see here the comparison with other products here. Yes, category, this is the 100 MB setup for our PC. Okay, support operating system Windows, NetDrive available, WebDrive available. These are the other web drives, expert drive, mountain dock, cloud monitor. These are the other products for the according to web drive for Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Android, iPhone. Okay, you can see here the supported categories and subcategories. Operating system, these are the operating system, drive type, these are the drive type, and this is all the comparison between other products you can see here. So our internet is very slow. So after that, if internet is got to stable, we will download its free trial version for our PC. Okay, and we will try to install in our PC. Thank you so much for watching, and our show in folder. My internet is too much bad, yeah. It's a big problem for me. Okay, now we are going to just so guys, in this way you will simply download the setup into your PC and run it as administrator and install into your PC without any issue. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.